Today we're unboxing the GEEKOM IT12 mini PC. And this one comes with an i7 1280p CPU with Intel Iris Xe graphics, and then a very lavish amount of RAM as you get 64 gigs DDR4 3200, and then a 1TB M.2 NVMe drive. And then the packaging is top notch with the PC itself cocooned within this tight celled foam there, so it's not going to go anywhere. And then all the accessories you're going to need to get this PC up and running are stored below the foam. This includes your HDMI cable, your power brick, your power cord, all your accessories for potentially VESA mounting the PC, and you've also got your manuals and stuff like that. And what I love is the tiny power brick. They used to be as big as the mini PC, but they've shrunk significantly to the point of where they're really easy to travel with. Then you've also got your power cord, your HDMI cable, your manual, and your VESA mount with screws. Now let's take a closer look at the PC itself. First of all, it's inside protective film that you just take off, and then you've got your full PC there, and it looks very nice. It's got the GEEKOM kind of blue that they go for their Intel nukes, and I think it looks amazing. We've got a couple of USBs, as you can see on the front, along with the headphone jack and a power button. There's always a lot of connectivity with these mini PCs that I do enjoy. So of course, the amount of accessories you can plug in here is huge. You've also got a media card reader on the side, which is nice. And then you've got your power cord, you've got USB Type-C, HDMI, Ethernet. Then you've got two Type A USBs, one slow and one fast. Then you've got a Type C, and then you've got another HDMI. On top of that, you've also got the wireless connectivity. So you've got Bluetooth 5.2 and you've got Wi-Fi 6E in this as well.